Hey there, welcome back to our channel. And today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We all know that physical exercise is important for keeping our bodies fit. But did you know that it's equally essential for strengthening our hearts? In this video, we'll be sharing some fantastic tips on how to make your heart strong. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1, get moving. Regular physical activity is key to maintaining a healthy heart. Engaging in activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or cycling can significantly strengthen your heart muscle. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise each week. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Tip number 2, strength training. Don't forget about resistance exercises. Lifting weights or doing body weight exercises helps build muscle strength, including the heart. Incorporate strength training into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, targeting major muscle groups. Remember, always use proper form and start with lighter weights if you're a beginner. Tip number 3, eat heart-healthy foods. A well-balanced diet plays a vital role in keeping your heart strong. Opt for nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Minimize your intake of saturated and trans fats, sodium, and added sugars. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can also benefit your heart health. Tip number 4, manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on your heart health. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as practicing relaxation techniques, meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Take time for yourself, prioritize self-care, and create a balance between work, personal life, and leisure activities. Tip number 5, don't smoke and limit alcohol intake. Smoking damages the blood vessels and increases the risk of heart disease. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart. Additionally, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Drink alcohol in moderation or consider avoiding it altogether. Tip number 6, get enough sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. Aim for 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can contribute to high blood pressure, obesity, and other heart-related problems. Establish a consistent sleep routine, create a relaxing environment, and limit electronic devices before bedtime. Tip number 7, regular health checkups. Regular visits to your healthcare provider are essential for monitoring your heart health. They can help detect any early signs of heart disease, assess your risk factors, and provide guidance on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. And there you have it, 7 powerful tips to make your heart strong. Incorporate these habits into your daily life and experience the incredible benefits of a healthy heart. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss